This video we are going to talk about how to use Vizio Subwoofer without the soundbar, pairing limit and workarounds. Step 1. Check your subwoofer model. You just have to check the bottom or a back of the subwoofer for the model number. Then you have to search for user manual on online using the model number. If the subwoofer has a line level inputs like RCA or aux, it may function independently. Step 2. Try wireless pairing. You just have to plug the subwoofer into a power source, then press the Bluetooth or a pairing button. Then you have to check the TV or Bluetooth source list for the subwoofer. Then you have to attempt to pair the device with the subwoofer. Step 3. Use Bluetooth receiver workaround. Ensure the subwoofer has a built-in Bluetooth receiver or a support wireless audio. Then you have to look for Bluetooth audio transmitter receiver that support both line outlet option RCA and aux. Connect the Bluetooth receiver to a line outlet source like TV, phone via through adapter or a audio splitter. Pair the Bluetooth receiver with the subwoofer, then you have to play the audio. The receiver will transmit the signal to the subwoofer. Step 4. Use an internal amplifier. Connect the subwoofer speaker level jack to stereo amplifier or a receiver speaker outputs. Then you have to connect the TV audio to the amplifier. You can use optical, HDMI or aux cable. Then just cross over the setting on an amplifier if available. Then the amplifier drive both the subwoofer and speaker bypassing the sound bar entirely. So this will help you to resolve the issue. Thanks for watching.